What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing SCP-096, otherwise known as Shy Guy. Let's get started at the top of our page with the lower edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to curve the brow going up and then out towards the left. Then we'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, just going to pull this in and bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Let's start over on the left, step in, draw a circle, going all the way around towards the bottom, and then just pull that up on the inside. And then we'll add a thick fold along the inside of the eyes. Starting on the left, come down, and then bend that out. Now we're going to move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start by lining up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, and start on the left, curve the nose coming down, and then up. Step up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Let's move out to the side and draw on the cheekbones. We're going to line up at the top of the brow, step out, just going to curve the cheeks coming down, and then we'll just bend that in. Let's go over towards the right, come down, and then bend that in. And then from the inside of the cheek, we're going to step out, and curve the mouth coming in and then down. And we'll connect the inside with a curve. We'll come down the middle and then back up. Let's add a fold on the side of the nose, starting on the left, curve out and then down. From the bottom corners of the mouth, we're going to step in, curve the side of the mouth coming down and out towards the jaw. So we'll start on the left, step in, straight down, and then bend that out. And then we'll connect the bottom with a curve. Going down the middle, and then back up. Let's move out to the side and draw on the jaw. Underneath the cheek, I'm just going to curve this in, and then bend that down. And then we'll connect the jaw with that same curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's add the top row of teeth. On the left side, we're going to step down, just follow that same curve, coming down, and then up. And then we'll separate out the teeth, starting in the middle with a straight line. And we'll add two more lines along the side towards the left, and then towards the right. Let's go down to the bottom, step in, draw two straight angled lines, coming up and in. Connect the ends with that same curve. And then we'll separate out the teeth, starting in the middle, and we'll add two lines on either side. Let's draw the top edge of the tongue in the center of the mouth, starting on the left, go up, and then down, and then we'll fill the top area of the mouth in black. I'm also going to add a stretch mark along the side of the jaw, starting on the left, and in, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's move back up and draw on the top of the head. We start on the left side, just going to round up the side of the head, go up and in towards the middle, go out towards the right, down, and then in. And then we'll add the ears on the side of the head, starting on the left side. Curve the ear going up, down, and then in towards the side. And then we'll add the folds inside the ear. On the left, step down, curve up and out. Go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Now you want to enhance the brow by pulling them forward. So from the left side, we're going to step up, add a curve going up, and then out. Line this up on the right. Now add a blood stain across the top of the mouth. Starting on the left, go up and then down. Draw a small curve inside, and go up and over towards the right. and then one more curve going out towards the side of the mouth. Let's continue that blood stain along the side of the mouth, starting on the bottom left. Just gonna curve this in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the bottom of the mouth, come down and up, come all the way down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now I'm gonna move down and draw on the rib cage. On the left side of the chin, it's gonna curve down and in. Let's layer a second rib cage, stepping out, come down, and then in. And then in the center, I'm just gonna add a curve, going up the middle, and then back down. Let's round out the side of the body going out towards the hip. Underneath the left rib cage, go down and out. Round up the hips, and then pull that back in. Now we're gonna move to the center, step down and add a curve, from left to right, going up and then down. Leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the heel and go up towards the first toe. Just gonna round this out, go across and then up on both sides. And we'll go back to the left side and draw on the first toe. We'll draw a curve going all the way around, almost like a C, and pull that down on the inside. And we'll stack 2 more toes along the side. Starting on the top left, go around and in. Do that one more time. Now we're going to go in between the last 2 toes, curve the foot going up, and then bend that in. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and round out the side of the leg. Underneath the left hip, so we curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start from the left jaw, step up, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow. Line this up on the right. And then bend the forearm coming down towards the wrist, going out and then down. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to curve the thumb coming in and then down. Round out the tip of the thumb. Now I'm just going to follow that same curve going up and in towards the hand. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. And we'll add 3 long fingers on either side. Starting from the inside of the thumb, curve out and then down. Round out the tip of the finger. Just going to pull that back up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add 2 more fingers on either side. Starting from the top, go out and then down. Round this out and go back up. We'll do that one more time. Round up the finger. Now I'm just going to pull this up and in towards the outside of the wrist. And follow that same curve going up and in towards the elbow. Now bend the arm coming up and in behind the side of the head. And then we'll add a blood stain across the base of the forearm. Starting from the outside, curve in and then down, go up and in, add a small circle along the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the inside, go out and down, go all the way up and out, and a spot on the outside. And that's pretty much it. There's SCP-096. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.